Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Last time we have seen in the practice set 2.1, that is question number 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to see the question number 4. In this question number 4, we are finding the side RP and PS using the information given in the triangle PSR. A triangle PSR, in triangle PSR, angle S is equal to 90 degree, angle P is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle R is equal to 60 degree. Remaining angle. Therefore, by 30, 60, 90 degree theorem, the side opposite to 30 degree, that is an SR, is equal to half into hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is an RP. SR is given, that is an 6, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into RP. Therefore, RP is equal to 6 into 2. Therefore, RP is equal to 12 units. Now, side PS you are going to find. Side PS is opposite to 60 degree. Side PS is equal to root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is an RP, which is equal to under root 3 upon 2 into RP is 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, which is equal to 6 under root 3 units. This is PS. Now PS RP is equal to 12 units and PS is equal to 6 under root 3 units. This we have calculated.
Start.
In the example number 5, for finding the side AB and side BC with the help of the information given in the adjoining figure, complete the following activity. Figure: in the triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and side AB is congruent to side BC. It is given. This is given. Now, we know that the angle opposite to the congruent sides are congruent. So, angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. That is isosceles triangle theorem. These angles we can write it in this way, that is angle A is equal to angle C. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle A is equal to 180 degree, that is from 1. Now, angle A plus angle A to angle A plus 90, which is equal to 180. To angle A is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore, to angle A is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 90 upon 2. By cancellation, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. Now, by 45-45-90 theorem, we can write that AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 upon under root 2 into AC. Here again 1 upon under root 2 into AC value, that is under root 8. This 1 upon under root 2 once again as it is, into this under root 8, it becomes 2 under root 2. Now this under root 2 and this under root 2 it is cancelled. Therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to 2 unit. Here we got the side AB and side BC, that is 2 unit.
Start.
Now example number 6. Find the side and the perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. The figure is drawn here. Quadrilateral ABCD, that is in a square. Quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Therefore AB is equal to BC. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is given, that is a 10 square, plus AB, that we are going to find it, AB square, plus, but in equation number 1 AB is equal to BC, so instead of BC we are replacing it by AB, that is AB square. So 10 square is an 100, which is equal to AB square plus AB square to AB square. Therefore AB is equal to 100 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. Therefore AB square is equal to 50. Therefore AB is equal to 5 under root 2. 5 under root 2 centimeter. Therefore AB is equal to BC, which is equal to 5 under root 2 centimeter. Similarly, AD is equal to DC is equal to 5 under root 2 centimeter. Now, perimeter. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into side of the square is 5 under root 2. 4 5s are 20 under root 2 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the square.
Start.
Now in 7th example, in the adjoining figure it is given that angle DFE, that is 90 degree, FG is perpendicular to ED. In this, GD is equal to 8, FG is equal to 12. Find EG, FD and EF. So now in triangle DEF, angle EFD is equal to 90 degree. Then FG is perpendicular to ED. Therefore FG square is equal to GD into EG by geometric mean. Therefore, FG is 12 square is equal to GD is 8 into EG. 144 is equal to 8 into EG. Therefore, EG is equal to 144 upon 8. Here we will get that EG is equal to 18 centimeter. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that is 64, 8 8s are 64, that is 18 centimeter. This first one we have completed here. Now second FD, we are going to find FD. Now in triangle, FGD angle FGD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, FGD, in this is an hypotenuse, that is DF square is equal to GD square plus FG square. Now DF is nothing but it is an FD square is equal to GD is 8 square plus FG is 12 square, which is equal to 64 plus 144. By adding 4 plus 4, that is an 8, 6 plus 4, 10 and 1, 11, 1 and 1, 2, that is 208. 208, which is equal to, this is FD square. So FD is equal to under root 16 into 13, which is equal to 4 under root 13 centimeter. This is FD is equal to. Now third example. Find EF. Find EF. Now in triangle EGF, angle EGF is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras, EF square is equal to EG square plus GF square. FG you are going to calculate. Now EF is given. EF that we are going to calculate. EG we have calculated, that is EG is 18 square. GF is 12 square, which is equal to 18 square is 324 plus 144, that is 12 square, which is equal to, adding this, 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 2, that is 6, 3 plus 1, that is 4, 468. Therefore EF square, therefore EF is equal to under root 36 into 13, which is equal to 6 under root 13 centimeter. This is EF. That is the first part.
Start.
Find the diagonal of the rectangle whose length is 35 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Now here the quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. Therefore AB is equal to 12 and BC is equal to 35 centimeter. Now in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem we can say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is by Pythagoras theorem. AC, that we are going to find it, AC square. AB it is given, that is 12 square, plus BC it is given 35 square. 12 square is 144 plus 35 square is 1225, which is equal to, adding this both we will get that 1369 1369. This is an AC square. Taking square root on both the side we will get it. AC is equal to under root 1369. Therefore AC is equal to 37 centimeter. This is the length of the diagonal. The diagonal of a rectangle. The diagonal of rectangle ABCD is AC, which is equal to 37 centimeter.
Start.
In the ninth example, M is a midpoint of QR. M is the midpoint of QR. Angle PRQ is 90 degree. Then we are going to prove that PQ square is equal to 4PM square minus 3PR square. Now, solution. M is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, RM is equal to MQ. This is equation 1. Now in triangle PQR, angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR square by Pythagoras theorem. Now PQ square is equal to PR square plus QR is nothing but it is an RM plus MQ. RM plus MQ, that is R dash M dash Q. PQ square is equal to PR square plus RM plus RM from 1. PQ square is equal to PR square plus 2RM square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4RM square. This is equation number 2. Now, in triangle PRM, PM square is equal to PR square plus RM square. Therefore, RM square is equal to PM square minus PR square. This PR square is transferred to the other side. This is an equation number 3. Now, PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4 PR square plus 4 PM square minus PR square. That is PR this as it is, and 4 RM is an PM square minus PR square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PR square plus 4 PM square minus 4 PR square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to PR square (4 PM square) minus PR square minus 4 PR square, that is a minus 3 PR square, that which we have shown. PQ square is equal to 4 PM square minus 3 PR square, which is proved.